Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell Features. Clixtell has so much to offer you, with 3 main features: call tracking, click fraud protection, and website video recorder. These 3 main features have sub-features that will help you increase your ROI and manage fraud clicks on your website. Explore more next. Call tracking. Get the most from every call to your business. Call attribution. Call analytics. Phone numbers. Website video recorder. Watch and understand your website visitors' behavior. Record all visitor sessions. Boost results. Identify issues. Improve UX and UI. Conversion intelligence. Block bots. Clixtell compare plans. In short, Clixtell has 3 main pricing options. The first one, basic, is $15 per month. The second package is called standard, and the price is $50 per month. The last option is agency, which is $75 per month. You will get unlimited domains for up to 10,000 clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.